Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to set up a Robinhood Roth IRA. First, open the Robinhood app on your phone and sign into your account. From the home screen, tap Retirement. Now tap Get Started to begin setting up your IRA account. Here you'll be asked to choose the type of retirement account you want. Select Roth IRA if you want to contribute after tax money and potentially enjoy tax-free withdrawals in retirement. Review the information about Roth IRA eligibility and contribution limits, then tap Continue. Next, enter any required personal and financial information and follow the on-screen prompts. Robinhood may ask a few questions about your investing experience and retirement goals. Now choose how you want to manage your account. You can select Self-Directed IRA if you want to choose and manage your own investments, or select Managed IRA if you want Robinhood strategies to help manage your portfolio automatically. Review your account details carefully, then read and accept the terms and disclosures. Now tap Open Account to create your Roth IRA. Once your account is approved, tap Transfer Funds or Add Money to make your first contribution. Choose the amount you want to contribute and confirm the transfer. After funding your account, you can begin investing in stocks, ETFs, and other available investments within your Roth IRA. You can also track your retirement progress, manage contributions, and view account performance directly from the retirement section of the Robinhood app. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.